Placing the flight control board on the Vista isn't a difficult job, but you will need to keep track of the screws you'll remove and work carefully with the control board and wires. Have a small Phillips screwdriver and a couple sizes of flathead screwdrivers ready for this job. Start by removing the battery frame from the bottom of the Vista by unscrewing the 4 battery frame screws. You don't need to take them completely out of the frame, just loosen them enough to remove it from the Vista. Lift the battery frame off and set it aside. Next, remove all 4 motor covers. Use a Phillips screwdriver to take out each screw. Then use a medium flathead screwdriver to pry the motor cover locking tabs loose from the main frame. Work carefully so as not to damage the frame. Gently work each motor cover off of the motors and set them aside with their screws. Carefully pry apart each of the motor connectors with a small flathead screwdriver. Don't pull on the wires to disconnect the motors, as this may damage them. You do not need to take the motors out of the Vista. Remove the 2 screws holding the forward LED covers. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry up the 4 LED covers. Work your way across the length of the covers with the screwdriver until they pop free. Remove the 2 screws that hold the canopy in place. Flip the Vista over and take off the canopy. You'll need to also take off the LED strip. It will just pull off the flight control board. Remove the 3 screws in the flight control board and set them aside. Pull up the motor leads from the guides inside the arms and lift the control board out of the Vista. Place the new flight control board onto the frame. Reinstall the 3 screws securing the board in place. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully press the motor wires in between the guide posts. Do this for all 4 sets of motor wires. Plug in the LED strip. Be sure the hole in the strip fits over the alignment pin on the frame. Now, put the canopy back into place. Flip the Vista over and reinstall the 2 canopy screws. Place the 4 LED covers into position and push down on them. You should hear them click into place. If they don't, there may be a motor wire in the way. Reinstall the screws into the 2 large covers. Reconnect the motors to the motor wires. Using needle nose pliers to hold the plug-ins will make the job easier. Now install the motor covers. Make sure to push down hard enough to get the locking tabs to click into place. Reinstall the 4 motor cover screws. Reinstall the battery frame, tighten down the 4 screws, and you have finished the installation. Before flying the Vista again, you should recalibrate the sensors. The procedure to do this is in your manual and can also be found in a separate tutorial video.